In this video, I will show you how to delete a card in Trello. First, open your web browser and go to Trello's official website. Log into your account and navigate to the board where the card you want to delete is located. Once you're on the correct board, find the specific list that contains the card. Click on the card to open its details. Trello does not provide an immediate delete button for cards. Instead, you need to archive the card first. Scroll down to the bottom of the card's options and you will find the Archive button. Click on it and the card will be removed from the main board view. Once a card is archived, a new option will appear that says Delete. Click on Delete and a confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the card permanently. Confirm the action by clicking Delete again and the card will be permanently removed from your Trello board. If you mistakenly archive a card and later decide not to delete it, you can still retrieve it. To do this, go to the Board menu by clicking on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your board. From there, select Archived Items, and you will see a list of all the cards you have archived. You can either restore the card or proceed with Delete. Keep in mind that once a card is deleted, it cannot be recovered.